In today's video, we are going to talk about a wonderful erpnext add-on that Kanak Infosystems has developed, which is the Pane View add-on. So erpnext, as we all know, is an open source software and it supports Python as well as JS framework. So this particular app is built based on Frappe framework. So you can see there are a list of features in this particular app. So I'm just going to show the app to you that how it works. Basically, it splits your screen. Like if you have a list view, it splits the screen to show you the list view as well as the form view on a single screen. So we'll just see the demo. So let's say I have an item list. So this is the version 15 of Frappe from where I'm showing you the demo. So I'll go here. Here we can select different type of views. So a view is added here, that is the pane view. So when you click on that, and you can click on any item and it will open the form view of that particular item separately here. So you can make changes to the fields here, and you can open any particular item and the form view will be opened here. We have all those functions available that are present in the form directly here. So yeah, this is a very useful add-on. So it helps you work simultaneously on any particular record. So it works on the sales order also. So I'll just click on pane view and I'll select this particular sales order, and you can see that the form is opened separately. They also have an option to drag and drop to separate the sizes. So if I want to adjust the size of list view and form view, I can do that also, and all the functions of those sales order is present here. I can use the filters also, so I can directly filter out from here, and that feature also work perfectly fine. So there are no restriction, and this particular pane view feature is available throughout the system. So yeah, you can use it anywhere. Now this particular app is available on the Frappe marketplace, so you can directly visit the link shared in the description and install the app from there. If you have any other queries related to this app or erpnext or Odoo, you can directly contact us. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.